Today I will be presenting the night safety system. It is a structured emergency response flow designed for fast and reliable safety assistance during critical situations. In this presentation, I will quickly cover its core process, dashboard and database. Let's start with the process. Let's look at the problem statement. When second counts, traditional emergency response is simply too slow. We have identified three major issues. First, the delay. Calling for help manually takes too many steps and increases risks. Second, isolation. Trusted, trusted contacts are not automatically notified, leaving the victim stranded. Third, no trail. Fast incidents disappear without any logs, making it impossible to review or escalate later. Our system is designed to solve exactly these three challenges. Moving on the system architecture, this is our complete end-to-end flow built on a single entry point, three parallel tracks, and a undefined database. The user enters by opening the app and authenticating through the login screen to access the main dashboard. From the dashboard, the system handles three core functionalities simultaneously. The SOS flow, an optimized six-step emergency path that instantly fetches user data alerts, contracts, and confirms safety delivery. The trusted network, a three-step setup path where user can seamlessly add and manage their contacts inside the database. The, the audit logs, an audit path that capture the history by fetching and returning all past errors chronologically. This clean separation ensures high speed during emergencies and full data transparency. Let's move on the next slide. The slide breaks down the initial entry flow, titled From Launch to Dashboards. Our core design rule here is simplicity, keeping the path intentionally short with exactly four steps to actions. Here is how a user safely reaches the dashboard. Step 1. Users opens the app. The system instantly processes the slash skin, breakdown runtime, checks and requests necessary location permissions. Step 2. Authenticate identity. Returning user are logging while new users register to ensure a smooth experience. The authorization token is securely stored locally. Third, identity verified. Once authenticate, the user session is firmly attached to a secure record. This stuff is mandatory before any SOS, contact management or historical can be executed. Step 4. Dashboard. The user arrives at the dashboard, which acts as the only branching point in the system, instantly exposing the three primary actions: SOS, manage contacts, and view history. By keeping this entry path minimal, we minimize frictions when a user needs the system most. Let's move on the next slide. With this slide, which covers the SOS loop, most critical part of our entire system. The engineering principle here is absolute reliability. One tap triggers six distinct system stages to guarantee a confirmed delivery, where every single node just succeeds. Here is how the automated sequence flow in real time. User triggers SOS. A single tap on the always visible SOS button intends the process immediately without any confirmation pop-ups because in an emergency, it intent is the actions. Resolve user identity. The system instantly loads the user profile and grabs their current location coordinates from the active sessions. Stage 3. Pool trusted construct list. It requires the database to gather everyone this specific user has authorized to receive alerts. Stage 4. Broadcast the alert. The system uses a fan out delivery method to broadcast the alert via SMS, push notifications and email to all contacts simultaneously. Freezes the incident. It writes an immutable record, including the exact timestamps, location, and recipients list, directly to the database for the alert log. Confirm the user. Finally, it transitions to a visible alert sent state to the user has immediate space of mind that the system needs its job. To summarize the performance metrics seen at the bottom, it requires just one tap from the user executes across 6 automated system nodes, hits the database with exactly one write touch point and instantly scales to when received. Let's move on the next slide. The slide cover 6 title Your Trusted Network. It details the three lightweight steps required to define who receives an emergency call, making this list the vital input for every SOS broadcast. The management flow works as follows. Step 1. Entry. From the main dashboard, the user simply taps on trusted contacts to manage who gets alerted during an emergency. Step 2. Manage. Here, they can easily add, edit, or remove contacts. The system captures the name, phone number, relations, disappearing existing entires in one clean, editable list. Step 3. Receives. The finalized list is instantly written to the database under the user's specific record. Thus serves as the single source of truth that the SOS flow reads from upon every trigger. At the bottom left, we highlight why this exists. The contact list is the alert and SOS without receivers is silent, so this setup ensures the emergency path always has a pre-weighted audience. Finally, looking at the use case of on the bottom right, we have engineering safeguards. It is the list is empty, the system blocks the SOS trigger and prompts immediate setup. Invalid numbers are validated upon saving. Duplicate phone numbers are marked silently to prevent radiant spamming. And we impose a head cap recommending less than or equal to 10 contacts keep the network efficient. Let's move in the next slide. This slide covers our audit logs, ensuring every emergency event is tracked chronologically when a user clicks View Story. This app instantly fetches data from the database and renders the alert list. As shown on the right, the interface clearly displays the date, time, number of contacts modified, and GPS locations. Crucially, this system is strictly read-only records, cannot be deleted from the client app, preserving a tamper-proof trial for any future isolations. Let's move in the final slide. To warm up, this final slide summarizes the architectural pillars. First, reliable and auditable. Fast speed. With one tap to broadcast and zero confirmation menus, we remove any delay in the cycle path. Second, reliability because recipients are pre-weighted. During calm moments, the SOS always reaches a granted audience. Third, auditability. Every emergency event is preserved as a permanent, reviewable record before confirmation. Ultimately, this system flows a structured emergency response flow that ensure fast and reliable safety assistance when it matters most. Thank you, everyone.